those are all the social media that you can attach yourselves to if you want to follow the V-League. Now, as if there were not enough Santiagos already in the building, meet another, Diane Angeline Santiago, the ate of Dindin and Jaja. And she's 21 from Tanso Cavite. She's her face of the game. She gets a box of shakies. And
kailangan talaga ganyan, mahaba, talagang long-legged.
Tapos, it should be an interesting family dinner.
Oh, yes. Na kahit pa na yung babae, parang...
Oh, boy. That should be delightful.
Kailangan platter.
That's a family you would like to meet, huh?
Very interesting.
When I saw the name Santiago, I just had to ask if she was...
Yeah, because she's in the same mold.
And I had to ask her, naglalaro ka? Hindi po. Okay, that's unusual, but we get to meet another Santiago. In the meantime, 16-13.
USC, 9 attack points so far, NU having 8.
And now, Dindin is going to town. She says, I want that pizza also. I want it by being the best player of the game, probably.
Yun, paano yun? Isa-isa siguro sila.
Ate has won.
Nag-iisa. Sorry, Jaja, kung sakali.
The Santiago family, pagka kumain sila, basta tigis yung pizza. Oh, good track down that time by Bate, Obinke, free
Expect
ball.
a quick hit here.
Oh, well done.
Aganon taking that on a differential hit.
You should know how to use those free balls, no?
No.
18-13, suddenly this is out of reach. It was 13 apiece earlier, and now 5 straight points by National University. Wow, what a serve. That was off the fingertips of Jesulga. De Leon with the setup. Nicely done, but it's out.
Pablo risking it too much, but a net violation called against USC, so NU takes the point.
Okay, it was declared out, but because of that violation, and suddenly this second set is getting out of reach for the Cebuanos. Adamson against Arellano. Lasal Dasmariñas against the Lady Eagles of Ateneo de Manila. That is the schedule on Sunday. Make it a date with us here at the Shakey's V-League.
Yep, and maganda, no? Because it's really a mix-up, diba?
Yep.
Of different schools that you don't usually see.
Those rare combinations, Like NCAA against UAP, the other leagues for that matter.
Provincial
also.
teams against the Manila teams.
And you can only get better, actually.
Lahat yan learning, di ba? Kahit, let's say, mas mahina yung isang team o mas malakas yung isang team. Just like today, ito, we're actually witnessing yung ganyang mix-up.
Again, for fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Saka alam mo, wala talaga talo pag sports.
Oh yes, and katulad ng University of San Carlos, by winning the first set, I'm sure, ang dami nilang natutunan dun sa first set na yon. Ngayon, ito naman, faced with the 8-point deficit, diba? Titignan naman natin paano sila magre-react. Oh,
that was a layup, Jaja.
Yeah.
That's a layup.
Kaya napo-force maging ate si Dindin dito eh.
And delightfully so. And they have a super ate. Si Dayan, whom we met earlier as our face of the game. That crawls over the net. Bate.
Oh, and again, the braveness, the bravery of this Cebuana players.
Metos Bate taking care of pounding that. They're still in the running here. It's 15-21. Cortesaner serve.
Whoop, Myla Pablo once again, but this time,
There's a good...
nabasa.
Yep, there's a good artillery line, in fact, for NU in front. Back set, well done.
Oh,
Hinulugan, hirap ng angulo na yun. Huli, alabas lang.
yun eh, di ba? Nakakita mo yung pagka-street volleyball dun sa mga moments na yun. Dun, NU rin. It goes both ways eh. Natututo din ng NU naman. Na minsan you should go out of the box. Hindi yung, you're playing
Yep,
organized
I agree,
ball,
I agree.
but it's really a very situational.
You don't learn guts really in an organized league, sometimes, minsan it's from the street leagues that you played. Alam mo, volleyball is very popular during summer, ha?
Oh.
Now that school's out, iba yung mga
Yeah.
barangay leagues and everything.
Masaya kasi siyang sport.
Oo.
Masayang panoodin, masayang laruin.
And the guys who play basketball will give the court to the girls. Sige, kayo muna maglaro. 23-16, and San Carlos has fallen way behind here by 7.
Ito kalayo ka nag-train po yung out ng sundot. Saan magpupunta doon? So, pag-train mo pula ka sa out ng sundot na online ko na. Ano, may mo sila manawa siguro. Hindi ko nakalay ba yung Kawin na. Reset lang. Reset mo din lagi pinaklas lubot. Reset mo mapurwa do para mula mo sa... Abot ang mulas ng lubot.
23-16 po ang score natin. Kayo ay nanonood ng Shakey's V-League. Our main cover, of course, our main broadcast station, GMA News TV. Our first year with this network. We're also on live streaming. Those watching the stream right now, ano sabi nila? Happy viewing? Ano kaya yung happy viewing? Nakangiti?
Oo, pag nanonood ka ng volleyball, parang tayong dalawa, minsan nakikita natin yung sarili natin.
Ah.
Hindi nagsasalita at nakasmile lang.
Oh, napapao lang, di ba? Wawa naman siguro si Ann pag linggo, no? Pagka sila ni Ian, ano? Talagang pinagtutulakan. Wag mo naman pagtulakan si Ann.
Oh, and this time Bate, once again, that's her 8th attack point.
Sukalit is back in the game. She's the serve expert of this group, and she will take over serve duties
But
right
yeah,
now, despite the fact that they're behind. Huh?
Correct. And di ba gusto mo nga yung, you just put it in, yung porsyentuhan.
Para sigurado mo.
Well, they have to be perfect at this point.
And you were saying they had to. But that second set was out of reach. It's 25-17. The sets are tied at 1 apiece. National University playing a little better in the second set against this gutsy team from Cebu. Back in a moment, just after the Shakey's Shake and Play, we'll be shaking back with a lot of volleyball.